Assalamu alaikum friend, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing investment site where you can invest your cryptocurrency and you will and you will generate a huge profit on daily basis. So its name is the Money Printer. Yes, its name is Money Printer because here you can invest your own cryptocurrency and you will print other money as a profit. So we also discuss their different plans that they offer to their investors, sorry, and we also discuss their referral program and social media also here. If you click on the three dots here, you will find out that you need to connect their website to the MetaMask. And here you invest their your bust BNB, USDT, Ethereum. So we discuss in detail all things in detail, so it will be very amazing and interesting video to us. So I request you all to see my complete video and press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. This is their homepage. If you want to visit their homepage, I will also give the link of their homepage in my video description. You just need to go to my video description and click on the link. You will find out this page. So no need to click on the link, just copy the link because it's very amazing investment site and it's very necessary to connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet with their site. So I have Trust Wallet in my mobile, so I need to connect my Trust Wallet in their website. So here you can see that this site is not connected in my wallet. So here you can also find that the invested cake is zero and user balance is zero. So if you want to connect their website to their MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you need to copy their address and go to your Trust Wallet. So in Trust Wallet, you need to click on the dApps. When you click on the dApps, you need to the paste the address of their website and search it. When you search it, one thing is very necessary, that you need to change the Ethereum to Smart Chain as a main network. When you change it, then you will find out their homepage here. So you will also find the confirmation call to connect your wallet. So I already approve it to connect it. So this is directly they are connected to my Trust Wallet. So after connecting the wallet, you if you click on the right dots, then you will find out the contract address here. It's mean it is connected to my wallet, and you will also find the invested cake, which is 363.786 cakes. And here you can also see that my user balance is 0.50 cake. It's mean that I already purchased 0.05 cake, to show you how we can use and how we can invest our cake within their website, or how, because can you will be able to purchase their plans with the cake. So first need is necessary to you, that you need to purchase their cake. So we discuss in detail how we can purchase their cake and how we can invest their cake in their website to earn a huge profit. So first of all, you if you want to check it is verified from the BSC scan or not, you need to click on the check verified contract. When you click on the check verified contract, here you will find out the BSC scan page. Here you can find out their contract address and their total balance and token and each and everything, that it means that it is already verified from the BSC scan. So let's go to the dApps, and after this, here you can also you will be able to see your wallet here. So my total deposit is zero, total withdraw is also zero. So if you want to withdraw, so you need to click on the withdraw. When you click on the withdraw, you will find out the smart contract address, smart contract call. It's mean if you click on the approve, then you will be able to receive your BNB that you spent in their, that you invest in their website. So their network fees is 2.12 here. So if you click on the approve, then your BNB automatically added to your wallet that you invest in their site. So after this, here you can also find out their referral program. So they have a different level. It's mean there if anyone join their website and invest in their website direct from your link, then you will find out the 5% as a bonus, as a referral reward. So their level 2 means that if someone other invest in their website to your referral person, then you will receive 3%. And level 3 means third person. It's mean if third person invest, so you will receive 1.5%. If 4% invest, you will receive 1%. And if 5 percent fifth person invest, then you will receive 0.5%. So it's very amazing where you can earn without an investment with you in through your referral program. So after this, you need to choose the investment plan. So they have different amazing investment plan where you can invest very few amount of your investment, and you will be able to find out a huge profit on daily basis. So first plan is that their minimum investment is 0.05k, and you will be able to earn 3% on daily basis. This is for forever. So if you, it's mean that you, if you invest 100k, then you can withdraw 3k on every day. And in second plan, which is for 40 days and 200% ROI. So here you will able to earn 5% on daily basis. So if you invest 100k, then you will be able to withdraw 5k on every day. And in four plan, the which is for 60 days and 240% ROI, where you will be able to earn 4% on daily basis. If it's mean if you invest 100k, then you can withdraw 4k on every day. And the investment minimum investment is same in all plan, which is 0.05. And you can also read out their four plan, which is for 90 days, and you will be able to earn 3.5%. You will be able to withdraw 3.5k on every day. So after before these use this, you can read out it carefully that the principal deposit cannot be withdrawn. The only return user can get are daily dividends and referral rewards. Withdrawals are possible only if contract balance have enough cake. Please analyze the transaction history and balance of the smart contract before investing high risk high profit there. So here you if you want to invest in their site, you just need to click on the approve. When you click on the approve, then you will find out the smart contract call. Here you can also see that their 0.15 dollar is fees, and maximum total is 0.15. You just need to click on the approve. When you click on the approve, it's mean that you approve it to invest in their website. Then you will find out this green line that approve successful. And now there my approve is successful here. So here you find that I have 0.050k in their website. And so I'm going to invest my 0.05 cake. So if you want to invest, you need to write the amount of your cake that you deposit in their site and click on the invest. When you click on the invest, then again you will find this smart contract call. You need to click on the approve. Then my network fees is $1.04. When we click I click on the approve, then you again find out this green line, it's been approved successful. So it's successful. So here you will find that now my user balance is 0.000 cake. My 0.05 cake is invested in this plan. So I will be able to three withdraw 3% that I 3% of investment that I invest in this plan. So after this, we discuss the other things. So if you want to invest your bust in this side, you click on the bust printer, then you will find out this page. Here you need to here you can see that your printer zero, printed bust is zero, current bust is zero, and current balance which is showing here. So after this, if you want to invest bust, so you need to click on the approve. And as we already show how we can buy their cake and how we can invest their cake, so same procedure is here. So if you want to invest BNB, so we already discussed how we can invest our BNB. So here if we discuss how we can invest USD in their printer. So you need to click on the USD printer, then you will find out this page. Here you can see that my wallet balance is 100 USD here. So after, if you want to approve if you want to invest your USD in their site, so buy your USD printer and earn up to 6% yield every day, then you need to click on the approve and compound printed USD amount. Then you will find your USD that you invest in this at this place. So this is very amazing how we can invest your bust BNB USD. This is very simple and easy way to invest your money in their website. So after this, here you will also we go back to our website. So we need to open the other things, so which is not possible in the DApps. So here we discuss about the fact mean frequently asked question that everyone should have in your mind if they want to invest in their website. So you can also check their multiple plan printing. So you need to click on it and cancel this. So the usd printer is decentralized finance printing project that made by the money printer team. The mechanics are simple: select your plan and invest, then withdraw your earning. The principal deposit cannot be withdrawn. Only the returns and referral if are paid out every day. There are two ways that you can earn with the project. So these are the details. So how we can earn USD for staking with different plans. So there are different steps and different plans where you can stake your USD and you will earn a huge profit in a very short period of time. So you can read it yourself. And after this is their affiliation program that we already discussed. So we discussed their plan. So number one plan is the investor will receive 5% daily of the initial investment identified. And plan 2 is that the investor will receive 7% daily of the initial investment for 40 days and with 280% return of investment. And plan 3 is the investor will receive 6.5% daily of the initial investment for 60 days with 390% return of investment. And plan 4 for the investor will receive 6% daily of the initial investment for 90 days with 540% return of investment. And earning every second is 24 by 7. Withdraw anything and without limit. Minimum investment is $10 here. So we already discussed how we can invest our USD in their side. You just need to open the USD here. You just need to click the approve. Then you will find out, sorry, please provide a wallet address. So when you click connected your wallet address with their side, so you when you click on the approve, then you will find out the smart contract call. You need to just click on the approve. Their network fees is $0.15. When you click on the approve, then you will find out this again, this green line. It's mean it is connected. This green line, it's mean it is connected now. So 0.15, my trust wallet notification is here. So now it is connected USD. You just need to write the amount of USD that you want to invest in their site and click on the buy printers. Then your $10 of USD will be used in their site to earn a huge profit. So this is very simple ways. After this, I recommend you all to subscribe and follow their social medias because these are very necessary. They give each and every update regarding their project on their social medias, and you will find out each and every solution of problem that you have regarding their project. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.